that there are different kinds of animals which are found in our surrounding. All animals are very much essential for us to balance our ecosystem, as well as some animals gives us food. For example, milk, meat, egg, fur, they are essential and we get these things from animals like cow, buffalo, goat, hen and many other animals. Now, dear students, let's talk about the types of animals. There are different types of animals found in our atmosphere or in our surrounding. They have been divided into two types. They are wild animals and domestic animals. Now, first of all, let's talk about wild animals. Wild animals are those animals which are found in forest. Wild animals are dangerous for us. They might harm us if we encounter them. Look at the board. I have written some example here as well. Tiger, elephant, rhino, deer, lion are some examples of wild animal. Except these animals, there are other animals also which are found in forest. Now let's talk about domestic animals. Domestic animals are those animals which we keep at our home for our necessity. We get milk, meat, egg, fur from these animals. That is why we keep these animals at our home. Look at here, cow, buffalo, cat, dog and sheep as well. They are domestic animals. Among these domestic animals, cat and dog are also known as pet animal because we keep these animals for our luxury, or we can say for fun. We keep these animals, that is why cat, dog are also known as pet animal. Now my dear students, let's talk about where do these animals live. Where do they live? What do we call to those places where the animals live in? Now I have written over here, look at here, bird nest. It means nest is the home of bird. Bird make home themselves and that home is called nest. They use nest for their settlement. At the same time, bird lay egg in their nest and hatch young babies as well. Cow shed. Shed is prepared by human being, or we say people make shed to keep cows. And fish, water. Water is the home of fish. Fish live in water, we can say. And another is earthworm. Earthworm. Earthworm live in soil. If you dig the soil, you can find earthworm over there. Earthworm live in soil. Soil is the house of earthworm. And snake. You might have seen snake living in hole. Snake live in hole and protect themselves. At the same time, hole is the home of snake. Snake बस्ने घरलाई के भन्छ? हामीले के भन्छौं? क्वाल भन्छौं नि, अथवा दुलोमा बस्छ भन्छौं. ओ त्यसलाई hole भन्छ. बुझ्यौ नि? Now let's talk about what do they eat. यी एनिमल्स हरुले के खान्छन् त? हामी जस्तै एनिमल्स पनि केही चीज खानु पर्छ. जनावरहरुले पनि केही नखाइकिन बाँच्न सक्दैनन्. जसरी हामी मान्छेहरुले केही चीज नखाइकन हामी बाँच्न सक्दैनौं, त्यसरी नै एनिमल्सहरुले पनि खानेकुरा खानु पर्छ. अब सबै एनिमल्सले एकै प्रकारका चीजहरु खादैनन्. They don't eat same types of food. एनिमल्स को आफ्नो इटिङ ह्याबिट हुन्छ, खाने पनि उनीहरुको आफ्नो ह्याबिट हुन्छ. So as per the eating habit, animals have been divided into three types. तीन प्रकारमा बाँडेको छ है. उनीहरुको खाने तरिकाको अनुसार अथवा उनीहरुले जे खान्छन् त्यो आधारमा एनिमल्स पनि तीन भागमा डिवाइड गरिएको छ. लुक एट हियर. पहिला म एक्जाम्पल दिए है त सबैभन्दा पहिला. डग इट फ्लेश. डगले के खान्छ? फ्लेश खान्छ भनेको मासु खान्छ अथवा छाला खान्छ. अनि बोन, हड्डी खान्छ. त्यो बाहेक खाना पनि खाएको देखाछौ हामीले दिएको मासुमा मलेर भात दिन्छौ दूध भात दिन्छौ त्यो पनि खान्छ गोठले घाँस खान्छ घाँस खुवाउँछौ हामीले गोठलाई सँगसँगै लिफ पनि खान्छ हामीले घाँस काटेर झुलाइदिन्छौ त्यो पनि खान्छ अनि काउले पनि घाँस खाएको देखेको छौं लिफ खाएको देखेछौ यो बाहेक अरु एनिमल्सहरुले पनि डिफरेंट इटिङ ह्याबिट हुन्छ लायनले के खान्छ फ्लेश खान्छ अरु एनिमल्सलाई मार्छ र त्यसको मासु खान्छ नपकाई खान्छ हो के न यस्तै लियोपर्डले पनि अरु एनिमललाई मारेर खान्छ इजन इट जस्तै र्याबिटले के खान्छ चना खान्छ घाँसको टुप्पा खाएको देखाछौ तिमीहरुले हो यो के हो एनिमल्सहरुको इटिङ ह्याबिट हो र यही इटिङ ह्याबिटको आधारमा एनिमल्सलाई तीनटा types of animals according to eating habits. There are 3 types of animals, right? 1, 2, 3. The first one here we have written पहिलो के लेखेछु herbivores or herbivorous animal. Carnivores or carnivorous animals. Omnivores or omnivorous animals. तिमीले बोर्डमा देखेछौ नि एकदम क्लियर लेखेर है यो चाहिँ उनीहरुको खाने तरिका अनुसार as per the eating habit animals have been divided into 3 types. Herbivores are those animals which eat plants only, or we can say herbivores are those animals which have the habit of eating only plants. घाँस मात्रै खाने जनावरलाई हामीले herbivores अथवा herbivorous animals भन्छौं. For example, cow, buffalo, goat, rabbit यिनीहरु के हो herbivores animals हुन्. यिनीहरुले घाँस मात्रै खान्छन्. Elephant पनि herbivores हो. Another is carnivores or carnivorous animals which have the habit of eating flesh. They are called carnivores or carnivorous animals. For example, lion, tiger, jackal, they are carnivores or carnivorous animals. Another is omnivores or omnivorous animals which have the habit of eating both plants and flesh. They are called omnivores or omnivorous animals. For example, we can give the example of dog, we can give the example of cat, we can give the example of bear as well. They are omnivores. अब तिमीहरुले कुकुरले मासु पनि खाएको देखेछौ दूध र भात पनि खाएको देखेछौ बिरालोले पनि दूध खाएको पनि देखेछौ दूधलाई अनि त्यसपछि मासु पनि खाएको देखेछौ सँगसँगै बियर तिमीहरुले भालु देख्छौ नि भालुले मासु पनि खान्छ अनि उसले खाने भनेको हनी बियरको सबैभन्दा फेभरेट फुड आइटम भनेको हनी हो त्यसले मह पनि खान्छ त्यसैले क्याट डग बियरलाई चाहिँ omnivorous को क्याटेगोरीमा राखिएको छ. Did you get my points, my dear students? So this much for today. आज मैले लाइफ्स अफ एनिमल्स को बारेमा र एनिमल्सहरुले के खान्छन् उनीहरुको बस्ने ठाउँलाई के हो र उनीहरुको इटिङ ह्याबिटको आधारमा हामीले 3 भागमा डिवाइड गरेका छौं भनेर पढाएँ. अब विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु तिमीहरुले के गर्न सक्छौ भन्दा मैले दिएको एक्जाम्पल बाहेक अरु धेरै एनिमल्सहरु छन् हाम्रो सराउन्डिङमा त्यो एनिमल्सको नाम लेख र तिनीहरु चाहिँ के खान्छन् र उनीहरु बस्ने ठाउँलाई के भनिन्छ त त्यो तिमीहरुले आफ्नो कपीमा लेखेर राख्न सक्छौ अथवा त्यसलाई चाहिँ अझ धेरै नलेज लिनको लागि तिमीहरुले त्यो एक्टिभिटीज गर्यौ भने तिमीहरुलाई धेरै फाइदा हुनेछ. So this much for today, my dear students. Thank you and we will meet in the next video.